Hi guys, it's reaction time. We've got Tailgunner and Tears in Rain. Before I get onto the reaction, a huge thank you to a couple of bands. Got Some of All sent me this excellent t-shirt. It's the Time to Leave t-shirt, the album they brought out this year. Amazing album, amazing Swedish rock band, bit of metal chucked in there. Check them out. And Andy and the Rockets sent me the vinyl Casino album that came out this year. Love this album. There's the vinyl there. We also, of course, have lyrics. Amazing. Love vinyl. This is a great album, guys. Another Swedish rock band. This is Eric Martinson production as well on this. It sounds absolutely amazing. There's the guys in the band. Check out Casino. You absolutely love it. Thank you so much to both of those bands for sending me that stuff. Okay, Tailgunner. So Midnight Blitz, what a track that was a few weeks ago. And I was really looking forward to more from the band, of course. And we've got the album coming out soon as well. What a start to the year. Next year is. We've got some amazing albums and to look forward to, of course. Hopefully they're amazing anyway. If it's anything like the last few years, we're going to get some amazing music next year. But the album comes out on February the 6th. It's called Midnight Blitz. And yeah, man, that first single just blew me away. So now this is the second one. I can't wait. Tears in Rain. Here we go. Oh, it's brilliant. Man, where the first song went full on sort of new wave of British heavy metal, if you like, this has got, it almost has like this feel of melodic hard rock mixed in with a bit of metal as well. Great soaring chorus there, you know, getting up into the heights there vocally. That's amazing. It just hooked me immediately. This band, man, I mean, they have. I compared, I think I said this on the first single, always been a good band, but they seem to have just like projected into this, and it's all about songwriting. It's all about the songwriting. They projected themselves like massively on these first two songs. Really blown away by it. And yeah, I love the mixture, like I said, of hard rock, if you like, and a bit of metal, you know, thrown in on this song. Nicely produced, sounds amazing. I love the way, you know, you can really feel those guitars cutting and especially that first verse. You sort of had almost had like the bass running along, I think a bit of clean guitar. But when that, you know, the fuzz pedal came in, when the heavy metal pedal came in, it really like chugged there. And yeah, man, it's a great production. Really, everything stands out perfectly. Love the vocal harmonies, and you know, in that chorus especially, it's brilliant, man. It's a really cool song, and shows a little bit of a different side, like I said, from that first single, which I'm happy about. You know, sometimes when you get an album, man, I mean, I love it when bands, you know, stick to what you want, but I also love it when they spread their wings a little bit. You don't want 12 tracks being the same song, do you? And it sounds like we're going to get a bit of variety, which I love on this new album. And it's only February. Oh, yeah, I can't wait. Here we go for the rest, guys. Oh man, yeah, very cool, very cool, very melodic all the way through, and showing some real skill in songwriting there. Man, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. They are great musicians, by the way, but songwriting, fuck yeah, that was brilliant, man. So well deserved to be on Napalm Records as well. I mean, I think I can't remember if they were with Napalm Records before, but man, totally deserved. What a great label to be on as well. They really push bands really well. You know, one of the best bands for that, I think. But that was great. Coming off the album Midnight Blitz, that was Tears in Rain, the second single from Tailgunner. Really looking forward to that album. Let me know what you think of that song in the comments below though, guys. See you soon.